What do you like doing when it's raining? What do you like doing when it's raining?
I like watching TV.
What is the weather like today?
It's sunny.
What do you prefer, cold or hot weather?
I prefer cold weather.
Weather.
Cold weather.
What is your favorite season and why?